I recently picked up this solar toy. I call them wigglers since they're supposed to wiggle. I put it in direct sunlight and it didn't want to do anything. It's obviously got easy motion, so something else is wrong. It cost me a total of 25 cents. That's not too bad. That looks like where you go in. And that's, oh, yeah, this is coming apart easy. Oh, there we go. Okay. There's the, I see. Let's see if it's easy to see in there. I think one of the wires is broken. I might have done that when I opened it. Okay, I'm going to have to set this up so that I can get a good look and see if I can see where the wire goes. Well, I found the other wire. So currently, I'll try to point to it. Since I've got the camera a few inches away, there's the one, and there's the other. But I'm going to need to be able to pull enough of that out to solder to it. Oops. Okay, I was able to pull and unwrap almost one loop of this. If it had been the other one that had broken, I don't believe you'd be able to fix it. Not sure I can fix this one. Right now I got my nose on my camera and the camera's about 2 inches away from it. So my best shot is to unsolder that one and then just try to directly solder that to there. I'm probably going to have problems doing that with the camera here. And in the process I broke the other one. But at least it's over here. So I should be able to just clean both pads and then do a direct solder of both wires onto them. Yeah, well, I got it soldered on. Can't believe I was able to do that without melting the wire. So now I'll just try to reassemble and hope. Well, it looks like it was successful. Because it didn't move before in direct sunlight, so I just figured I had broken it when I just opened it up. But I guess one of the little wires broke eventually. Boy, those wires are so fine. So, that's it for this, and it can wiggle its butt all it wants now. Have a good evening, or morning, or afternoon. Bye.